and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and it's time to have a look at a couple more of the PaintGem mini kits that I have recently received. My youngest has helped me to group them together into what she thinks is sets of 2, so I do have 2 here to share with you. This top one she actually likes herself, and I'm going to be kitting this up in a video later on this week so that she can take this to university with her, so that she's got, you know, just a little bit of something to do if she finds herself wanting to. It's always handy to have something there, and she much prefers the smaller ones to the big ones. I think it's the amount of time that she actually gets to do it. It takes a long time to finish a big one. It's a hobby she enjoys, but on occasion. So these mini sets are absolutely perfect for her. So let's scoot them both over and we'll do the Black Magic edition first. If we turn it over, this one doesn't come with names. Megan and I have actually given them names for the purposes of the stickers for the display book, but they just come in a series of designs, so you get 12 in this set. This is the newest or the latest packaging that they do. So this is the Relax Through Creativity. Look at those colours. Oh, she's going to have so much fun with this one. So yes, there is black, but then there is a huge rainbow of colours. She's got a toolkit, though I'm sure she'll be taking one of our trays with her, no doubt. She's already picked the storage that she wants to pinch, but you do get a toolkit with the nice white boat, some blue heart wax, a 3-placer, I think that's a 10-placer, and a set of tweezers in this nice little bag. These bags are gorgeous. But onto the paintings. Let's get into the actual images. The sheet does come with lots of tips and tricks, etc. And they do now come with a sticker sheet, which is amazing. That is going to make kitting up this one so much easier. So stay tuned for that video coming later on this week. But these are the images themselves. These are all partials, i.e. you don't have blocks of background to do. So we have a cauldron, the owl sat on a little set of books with a little lantern. Oh no, it is that one. That is a book of spells with some candles. We've got an hourglass. Oh, we have a cat with the word moon underneath, and of course the moon there. Some crystals and roses. I think that's a Ouija. Is it Ouija? Things like that. Yes, no, spirit. A poison bottle with some mushrooms. Tarot for some tarot cards. We have a church potentially. Yeah, it's got the cross on the top. With the birds in the background. That's quite cute, the way that it's still got, because the glue doesn't seem to hang over either, the way that it's got things that are completely separate. Oh, this one does as well. So then we've got a magic, so crystal ball with an eye in it, and then we have what I'm expecting is a witch. I'm guessing that's a witch. So that's the 12 images that we get in this one. And of course the stickers. So 12, 24, 26, 28, 31 colours in this one. The website does tell you how many colours there are in it, but of course I don't have my computer here with the website up. But I love the fact that they now come flat, and I love even more the fact that they come with stickers. It's going to be so nice to kit one of these up later on. So that is set number 1. Set number 2 that my daughter chose to go with this one is the tattoo edition. So this one also has 12 designs. They don't come with a name, but we have 12 different images, of which let's get in the box and have a look at them a little bit closer. So again, we are on all the new packaging now. You do get a toolkit with all the same goodies in. Oh, I forgot, you do get a squishy as well. I don't think I pulled that out of the last one. We've got some nice and bright colours for this one as well. Again, we do have a little bit of 310, but we've got quite a few different shades of green, a few shades of pink, and then we've got some lovely rainbow colours. I like the fact that the gems have not only their code of being the mini set number 16, but the fact that it does say tattoo edition on it, which is great for those of us that don't know their codes so well. It's nice to be able to have the names in case you did want to keep them out of the box. You may want to keep them like this, diamond separate, and these I may or may not do. I do have quite a few here to unbox, so if I am struggling for shelf space, then I will split them up. In fact, that may help me to sort of pick what set to do next. Is I will just pick a box that doesn't tell me, and then I can at least find the diamonds that do tell me which ones they are. So we have the sticker set, so 24, 26, 28, 32 in this one. So we have 32 different colours. They do use letters and numbers, which is good. I like the fact it's letters and numbers. They're easier to say in your head multiple times. But we have an anchor. Then we have the love heart with flames. We have a skull with a crown. Lucky with, oh, a diamond. Diamonds and some flowers and lucky dice. We have a ship. Again, these are partial as well. We have a sword in a heart. Oop, captain. I think he looks like a fisherman. Don't know why, but anyway. Then we have a sweet lady. We have a lighthouse with a wheel behind, ship's wheel. We have a bird with a love letter. We have a hope with a bird and a flower. And we have a message in a bottle. Looks like it's a nice message because it has a heart. So that is the tattoo edition of these paintings. So again, this one is a partial, so that you don't have to do the block background. This set has come with stickers. It does depend whether it's new or old packaging as to whether you do get the stickers in it, but it is a nice touch when you do. If not, you do still get the inventory sheet, so you can make stickers, which I find is great because then you can reference both the colour and the symbol. And I can't wait to actually reuse some of these boxes as well. I think it's perfect that you can turn them inside out and reuse them for things. Maybe you'll have an order come in them, who knows? It might be quite nice to send the odd one in one of these. But yeah, you've got boxes so that you can add stuff if you need to. And yeah, they are the 2 kits for today. I will of course pop the link to PaintGem's website down below. I will also pop the discount code that you can use to get a few extra pennies off whatever kits you choose. But yeah, stay tuned. I am absolutely loving these kits. So there will be regular kitting ups as and when I finish each set. But for this week, I will be kitting up this Black Magic edition for my daughter, and I'll be kitting it up in different storage to what I normally use because she has a request. So stay tuned to see that video, but thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.